Okay, what do you like to say about uniform? Why people wear uniform?
Uniform, it's like showing our passion, or it's like it feel different when when we wear this. It's like we have responsibility on us, on our shoulders.
How it show us we have a responsibility on our shoulders?
It's like when I am in dress, I can't be undisciplined.
Why? Why are you saying this?
I'm saying this because this is what they teaches us in our classes. You can't do that thing. You can't disrespect anyone. If there is anyone in need, you have to help him. You are in this dress. This is what means to join NCC.
What is the full form of NCC?
NCC stands for National Cadet Corps.
Okay.
Yes.
What do you know about it? Why they developed this force?
It's like they tell us many times we are third layer Fauji. Means if they are we want tomorrow, they tell us if there is anything, if there is not anything, if there is a problem on the country, you are going to join, because we are third layer.
Really?
Yes, they tell
Have
us.
you ever helped in any campaign or somewhere?
No, it's not like it's like when
Struggle,
the country is in emergency. It's time like this.
So you will go there.
I guess we have to.
Do you think you are that much prepared? You will be able to handle the situation.
Maybe I'm not on going to handle front line, but in back we can support them.
How you will help the army? Like, I mean to say, how will you help the front line?
It's like it's little like we are going. We have to support them in like giving. There are lots of things we have to do there. We have to do what they told us. Like they told us to have, we have to parcel this thing there. No matter what happens, this time they got us time limit. We have to do the things that we are going to do. If they tell us you have to deliver this thing to them, we are going to do this kind of stuff. It's going to be big help, like supporters are really good. If you are going to ask me in like tent pitching, we did it when we were in camp recently. 15 days, last 15 days we have been in camp. We have we have joined camp pitching. We have to support each other in that thing. Like I'm not going to do that thing alone. We have to we have to with each other. Means like coordination with each other.
Coordination with each other.
Yes, it's like he's doing this, then I have to support him by doing this. Something like this.
Okay. Do you have any question for me, please?
No, not much.
Any question related to, like, if you want to ask me about your point of view about army or whatever you have related
No, I don't want. I just don't have question anymore.
I
guess.
have for you.
Why not us?
Let me think first.
Why not?
Okay, so somehow you left your girlfriend for the sake of getting this job.
Yes.
Do you agree on this point? Like, a boy's man's life is so different, so hard, and it's so difficult. Do you agree?
No, it's not. See, maybe not see. Girls are also going through the same thing.
How?
It's just like we have to get up early. Everyone, like I am in NCC, we all have to get. We all have to get on time, because the time is 8 a.m. Before that time, we have to fall in the ground. For that thing, we all. It doesn't matter I'm boy or I'm a girl. We all have to get up early. Approx 5 a.m. We have to get up early, bath, and then a lot of things like iron the press and dress and polish the shoes. A lot of things. And by eating food, we have to we have to be here before 8 a.m. So it's not like their life are different, but it just matters. We are boys, we are stronger than them, so we have a little more responsibility than I can say. A little more, or maybe little more different, I can say.
In what ways men are stronger?
In what ways? It's just like physically, we are biologically different. Maybe we are stronger than them.
Okay. Why we need to be in discipline in our life?
Being disciplined, if I tell you personally, it feel good being disciplined.
How?
How when I it's this thing came from in me from my school time. No matter what happens, no matter which day, it doesn't matter electricity came or not, I wear dress with iron. It's my rule. I always iron my press before going to school. I did. It doesn't matter it's raining today or don't know or doesn't matter it's there is no electricity, there is always iron on my dress. It's like it's I made a rule, it's a discipline. It feel good when I was in when I did when I was there. There are times when in my class most of the boys doesn't have iron because there is no electricity that day, but I was there. I had iron on my shirt and pant. It feel good, it really does. It feel different to be neat and clean. It just vibe different. It does.
What a great expression, brother, you have used. It gives. I don't remember what you said, but you said something like to vibe, so it was really good.